Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity Investments easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type fidelity.com and press enter. Wait for the Fidelity Investments homepage to load completely. Locate and click on the Open an Account button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Select the type of account you wish to open from the drop-down menu. Review the account options presented to find the one that suits your needs. Click on the Get Started button associated with your chosen account type. You will be prompted to provide your personal information. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your email address accurately. Provide your phone number, including the area code. Next, input your home address, ensuring all details are correct. After entering your address, you may need to confirm your identity. Prepare your social security number for entry as part of the identification process. Follow prompts regarding employment and income details. Review the information you have entered for accuracy, making necessary corrections. Once verified, click on the Continue button to advance to the next step. You may be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a secure password that meets the specified requirements. After creating your login credentials, proceed by clicking Continue. Read through the terms and conditions presented. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Next, you will need to set up your investment preferences. Select your investment strategy, if applicable, based on your financial goals. Once complete, review your account setup options and make any adjustments as needed. Click on Submit to finalize your account registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to activate your account. Once your account is active, you can log in using the credentials you created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.